Hi Sadie, this is the final design decision we need to make on the ply. So I'm going to show you two options here. The first one, I've put a slight rotation on the vertical slats as we move along the mountings, and the effect this is going to give you is as you move around the room, the way light changes on the ply and what you see behind it is going to change very sort of subtly across that array of plywood slats. I quite like that. I think it's going to look interesting. The alternative, if we just hide that, and a few things happening off screen here, show that, is that we don't have any rotation in the way those are mounted. And let's just give me a minute. So as you look from the side, pretty much everything is hidden there, and as you rotate around or you move round that screen, everything becomes visible at roughly the same time. I like them both. I think they're both interesting. Now that's interesting, that hasn't occurred to me. If you look face on at that screen, you could argue that looks a bit prisony. Let's just, while we're in that view, flick back to the other one. Bear with me. Yeah, so again, you're seeing where they're rotated, you're always seeing not just the ply cut edge but the broad face of the birch as well in any one position there. Again, my preference very slightly is for the rotated verticals. Okay, but it's your choice.